Kingslake has been at the forefront of digitally transforming manufacturing processes with partners and our very own Kingslake Blue suite of solutions. Today, we harness our deep knowledge of the manufacturing industry and our research culture using latest AI techniques in niche areas to provide specific solutions to problems. Over the years, our solutions have helped more than 300 customers in their growth journey. We also work with globally recognized technology partners to bring benchmarked practices. At Kingslake, we always believe our people have been the secret of our success. Each member brings a unique set of skills and experiences, enabling transformation in every step of our client's journey. Synergy between our cutting-edge digital solutions and our team's expert commitment makes us unmatched.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being with us today despite your busy schedule. We hope you find today's session valuable and interesting, and also get a glimpse of how to boost production efficiency up to 20% with AI-driven IE. At Kingslake, we believe that we are problem solvers building software products to solve manufacturing problems with our 30 years of industry expertise. Our solutions have given companies a 12% of increase in manufacturing throughput and enabled $1 billion in exports. Joining us today as our guest speaker, Samadra Pereira, who has over 18 years of experience in the apparel industry. She is an expert excelling in various domains from business development to manufacturing process innovation. And also, she has worked closely with many international brands in Asia, Europe, and USA. Samadra, we warmly welcome you to today's session. Please note that we have a Q&A session at the end of the presentation. You can put down any questions in the Q&A chat box or unmute your mic to ask your question. Without further ado, I would like to hand over the session to Samadra Pereira. Samadra, over to you.
Thank you, Ashvika, for that lovely introduction, and I warmly welcome all of you to Kingslake Client Balancing webinar today. Before we dive into the system, I would like to take you through a little bit of industry changes for 2024 as we are at the brink of transformational changes in this sector. The changes are driven basically or majorly through technological advancements, and it is shifting customer behavior, are shaping fashion industry trends in a more profound ways than ever. Traditionally, this sector was marked as creative and adaptive, and now it faces a pivotal moment where innovation and will interact with sustainability and ethical practices. Understanding these emerging fashion trends is crucial for all stakeholders at all levels, from senior fashion executives to designers to manufacturers and also to retailers as well as the end customers. Staying abreast on all these advancements or changes is not only for us to be competitive, but it also is to grab any new opportunities that comes our way in changing and capturing demands that changing demands in the fashion industry. Having said that, AI or artificial intelligence is set to play a bigger role in the coming years from 2024 onwards, and it will seek into all processes throughout, from customer behaviors changes as well as to design to manufacturing. So if we take on customer platforms, so AI is to enhance the personalizing shopping experience by analyzing customer data, tailoring products and marketing strategies, this will not only streamline operations but also open up new avenues in creating sustainable and practical variables within the industry. In order to cater to these customer changes, fashion designing also will go through a generative AI change where it will have to create innovation, digital clothing offerings, as well as sustainable alternatives to physical garments. AI not only will in future drive the manufacturing process links and also they will seek into our process flows like detecting fabric defects and with high precision and trying to make repairs as we go on. Also they will capture important data so that we can have a level of near 100% accuracy which will enable us to create faster turnarounds with a certain amount of accuracies. Well, if you take deeming all these technological environmental changes, Kingslake has started their AI journey with their partners in manufacturing a few years back, catering to their needs and giving a suitable solution at a reasonable cost. So Kingslake Blue line balancing tool is one such innovation that has come our way, providing solutions in bringing down the manual data entry of IE officers and also enabling them to have organized historical data, identify their training needs, as well as suggesting to balance line balancing and absenteeism balancing in the flow, which is giving a production flow up a near 20% efficiency increase, which will lead to enhance the profitability of the organization throughout. With that, I hand over to Rashan to take you through the system from now on.
Thank you, Samadra, for a very in depth and interesting session. Also, joining us today is Kingslake's very own project manager, Reshan Pereira, who will talk about digital adoption on the sewing floor. He has an impressive background boasting over 4 years of extensive expertise in industrial engineering and production planning. He brings a wealth of experience to table working with some of Sri Lanka's leading apparel manufacturers. Reshan, we warmly welcome you to today's session.
Thank you, Ashreka. I am thrilled to introduce a groundbreaking solution that is set to revolutionize the way we approach the line balancing in the apparel industry, the Kingslake Blue Line Balancing System. In the dynamic landscape of production efficiency, achieving optimal balance along the sewing line is paramount. The Kingslake Blue line balancing system is not just a solution, it's an innovation designed to streamline and optimize the production process. This state of the art system employs cutting edge algorithms and real time analytics to ensure a harmonized and efficient workflow. By AI technology, distribution of operations and workloads, Kingslake Blue line balancing system minimizes bottlenecks, reduces idle time, and enhances overall productivity. What sets Kingslake Blue line balancing system apart is its adaptability. It seamlessly integrates with existing manufacturing environments, providing a user-friendly interface that empowers IE managers to make data-driven decisions. So as we delve deeper into today's presentation, you will discover how Kingslake Blue line balancing system is not only addresses the challenges of line balancing, but also offers a scalable and future-ready solution for manufacturers striving for excellence. The Kingslake Blue line balancing system encompasses these four key components: planning, initial balancing, capacity balancing, and absentee balancing. By effectively managing each of these aspects, you can achieve a well-balanced and highly efficient production line that maximizes productivity and quality while minimizing costs and disruptions. To initiate these functions, planning, initial balancing, capacity balancing, and absentee balancing efficiently, the system relies on essential master data, including machine names, line module names, employee information, employee lines, layout operations, skill of the employees, etc. So that forms the backbone of its operations. The first component is planning. It involves setting the strategic decision for your sewing line. Here you determine an important factor: the best line for a new style. Selecting the best suitable line for a new style is crucial because it sets the stage for a well-balanced and efficient production process. The system cross-references the style type in its database to recommend the most suitable production line and estimate achievable efficiency levels. Furthermore, our team is actively working on a feature that allows users to upload a garment sketch or the operation breakdown of the new style, which will then be compared with the database to determine the optimal production line. Um, Upon choosing a line, as I explained in the previous slide, so you have capability to perform the initial balancing. Once the initial balancing is executed, we have a line where the operators are allocated for the operations based on the skill they have. In addition, it's important to highlight that during the AI-driven initial balancing process, the system takes into account the maximum output achievable within an hour. This crucial feature ensures that the production line operates as its full potential, maximizing productivity while maintaining a well-balanced workflow. The output report, which can be found on the right side of the slide, has plenty of useful information, such as information on the operator assignment for operations and the hourly balance production units, etc. Uh, in the context of capacity balancing, our approach is entirely data driven, relying on the time studies conducted for each operation. We have developed a highly efficient time study application here at Kingslake. The unique feature is that it eliminates the need for all the manual calculations by industrial engineers. So I will provide more details on this later. After the initial balancing is executed, the system conducts a re-evaluation utilizing the data collected from time studies. This data is invaluable as it provides insights such as the remaining minutes available for each operation within an hour and identifies potential bottlenecks. So IE executives can take these insights and strategically reallocate operators as needed. They can rerun the capacity balancing, fine-tuning the production line for optimal output. This iterative process empowers them to achieve the highest possible efficiency and productivity for the selected production line. Absentee balancing. Absentee balancing holds a paramount role in our system. Furthermore, we require accurate employee attendance data for effective operation of this function. We offer two convenient options. You can either import the employee file into the system manually or seamlessly integrate the system with your HR system, eliminating the need for any manual intervention. Once absentee balancing is initiated, the system performs a sophisticated analysis to identify the best suited operators for the absent operation. So this analysis can extend through multiple layers, suggesting potential replacement from within the same line, section, same zone, or even the entire factory. The industrial engineering officer or the executive retains the authority to make the final call on the replacement operator. After the assignment, the IE executive can rerun the absentee balancing taking the new operator into account. This iterative process ensures that the production line remains well balanced and efficient even in the face of employee absences. So, through these four integral components, we aim to enhance and optimize the production line by employing the Kingslake Blue line balancing tool. So, now let's explore the inner workings of the time study application. In this context, we have a breakdown of six key components such as employee performance and study summaries, among others. So once you have chosen the employee performance, the next step is to involve selecting the operator. At this point, the system automatically populates the line and the style details. Then your focus shift to selecting the specific operation that the chosen operator is responsible. Uh, Next, you can proceed to conduct the time studies. So this involves selecting a single operation to begin the data collection process. So you have the flexibility to conduct the separate studies for sowing, dechain, and inspection. You can initiate these studies more than one cycle at a time by tapping on the buttons in a single session. The system will perform the necessary calculations once you confirm the studies, providing you with the average operational time and efficiency metrics for each specific operation. So you have the option to review the studies in a summary format, and if you believe that certain data is unnecessary for inclusion in the employee performance, so you can deactivate it. This data can seamlessly transfer to the line balancing application where you can execute the capacity balancing process. We have a set of clear expectations for improvements or the benefits that span various levels of our operations. So, uh, at the line level, we are determined to identify and rectify line bottlenecks. Our goal is to ensure the production flows smoothly without interruptions. So, reducing operator idle time, learning curve improvement is also in our radar. Achieving the plan efficiency is also a non-negotiable target because we want to consistently meet or exceed our efficiency goals on the production line. Identify training needs also a priority. So we want to equip our employees with the skills they need to excel in their roles. At the plant level, initial balancing, so based on the historical data, is crucial because this means that we want to use data driven insight to create the most efficient layout for our entire factory. Baseline suggestion, keeping an up to date skill metrics also a priority. So this ensures we have right people for their right jobs. Actual machine utilization reports are invaluable for plant level decision making. So we want to make the best use of our machinery. So historical data comparison, absentee balancing, so removing duplicate skills, also very important because removing duplicate skills and simplifying our skill metrics is also important when you are evaluating your team members. So in general, we aim to improve the visibility of operator performance across the board. So we are striving for consistent and centralized database, and we are embracing a cloud-based platform. So dashboards provide visibility through data visualization, and enhanced security is also a top concern. And also at the heart of our offering is an AI-based approach that leverages data and technology to drive improvement. Uh, One of the standout achievements we have witnessed is a significant enhancement in factory efficiency. Our successful implementations have contributed to an impressive 20% increase in overall efficiency. This boost in productivity is a testament to the effectiveness of our tool and the dedication of our team. So our journey towards successful implementation has yielded remarkable results. One of the most significant being our commitment to improve the productivity of the dedicated industrial engineering executives. So we were able to increase the productivity of IE executives by an impressive 50%. Why is this so important? Because it's about freeing up valuable time of our IE executives to work on value-added tasks. By enhancing their productivity, we have created an environment where they can shift their focus from routine and time consuming tasks to high impact activities that truly make a difference. So, these value added tasks may include strategic decision making, process optimization, and the implementation of innovative solutions that drive positive changes within our organization. So this not only empowers our IE officers but also enhances the overall efficiency of your production or the operations. So it's a win-win situation where the professionals are better equipped to contribute to the success, and organization benefits from the expertise and strategic insights.
So now we have come to the end of our session today. As Rashan mentioned earlier, Kingslake would like to offer a 30-day free trial version of the line balancing software, especially to the participants of this webinar. To sign up for this offer, please click on the registration link, which is in the chat box. Thank you once again to all our participants for being here despite your busy schedules. Last but not least, thank you very much, Samadra and Rishan, for taking time off to be with us today and sharing your insights. Until next time, goodbye and stay safe, everyone.